Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel, and in this video we're gonna see how we can move a particular cross section into another view group cross sections. Okay, so we already have a view group for these cross sections. So we already have a view group for these cross sections, and as you notice, it's still 1900. 1900 is our last tonnage, and accordingly the material at that particular point till that particular point has been displayed. Okay, but our alignment goes beyond it. Okay, so it's around 1904. So let's create a cross section up here and then add that particular cross section to our view. Okay, and apply those styles. So how are we gonna do it? First we need to create a cross section. So as I remember, we already had across the sample line still 1900 only. The last sample line wasn't created. Okay, so we create a sample line. I have already hidden the sample line. If you want to know how we can do it, then you will find the link in the description somewhere so that you can do it easily. Okay, that you can do easily. Okay, so let's create a sample line first. So let's go to the sample line on your home tab, click on it, click on sample lines. It will ask you to select alignment. We'll select the alignment, only one that we have. And then I will select the location where I want here. And now it will ask me the width. I will put the default 30, 30, okay, just like that, and enter. So a sample line is created. Okay, cool. Now we create cross section from the sample line. So we select the sample line, and then here you have at the top option to create a cross section. So we'll just create cross section, and I will just keep everything default so that I will show you how we can apply the group style to this particular cross section. So create a cross section, and then I will create somewhere here. Let's put it somewhere here for comparison. So okay, now we have it here. It's pretty basic and nothing has been modified. And okay, so what you're gonna do is we're gonna move this cross section into this particular view group. So how are we gonna do that? Let's select that cross section that you want to move, or all the cross sections that you want. We have only one here. So once you select the cross sections, up at the top you will have option to move section group. Okay, so click on it, and then you will have drop down for selecting the cross section views. So or you can just select from there, and then you can just select any of the view or cross section from your group, the view group that you want to move to, and say okay. And it will ask you that it will apply the group style that you have. We'll say okay, apply it. Okay, so all the things are not applied yet. Okay, so you see the band and everything is different. So no problem, we're gonna do it. So we select even this one because now this is already in this view. Okay, this view group. So we select this particular cross section or any cross section. Okay, and then go to the view group properties. Let's first change the band. Okay, so band is different. So we go to the change band settings and go here. And then what I'm gonna do is just remove all this. Let's just remove it and then import band set. I have already shown how to do all this stuff in detail in a tutorial series. That's the link will be in the description below. Okay, so as we add it and we say okay and say apply, and that will fix the band. Okay, the bands have been fixed. Now what we're going to do is display the volume. Volume is not there. Okay, so we click on this change volume table, these three dots, and then this will be available. The volume, we just remove this, and again we add it. It's in the material. We have defined our tutorial material table, and these are fine, so we just add it. Okay, add and select whatever you want, and we add it and then say apply. Okay, now this actually displays the table, adds the table, but let's click OK and say apply again. Okay, it has added, but you will see there's a problem. No problem. What we're going to do is we click OK, and then we will solve the problem. Okay, okay. Now you see some tables are beyond that particular view group range. Okay, the cross sections it's far farther from the cross section. So what we're going to do is we can just select any of the cross section and then say update group layout at the top. Okay, so update, click on that, and that will update and fix the issue. Okay, so now everything is properly aligned. Okay, now we want the levels also. Okay, these levels. So again, select the view group and go to the view group properties, and we're gonna go for the sections here, and we're gonna display top levels. So select it, edit it, and then we're gonna say tutorial level set. Okay, and then say apply, and okay. So this has been applied. So now all the styles matches for this one also. This tennis cross section, everything is matched with the other ones. Okay, so this is how we can create a new section from a sample line that's from a different view group, the different group. The sample line is from different group than these, but still you can add the cross sections and move to the view group and apply all those settings that you already have predefined for that particular view group. Okay, so that's all for this video, guys. Hope you guys learned something new. Like, share, subscribe to our channel. Have a great time.